Commodore Jamila Abubakar Sadiq Malafa. I'm here to present the position of the Nigerian Navy. Most of the issues have been addressed so far, but the little we have here, I seek your indulgence to please include our position. We are contributing on small arms. The agency, that's the Ministry of Internal Affairs, instead of Ministry of Foreign Affairs, should handle this same transaction. That's Nigerian Navy position, please. Then we are suggesting the Ministry of Internal Affairs again to chair this same commission. In addition to the listed agencies, we are suggesting that the armed forces be included and the Nigerian immigration be included in the listed agencies. Then sections 5, paragraph C, JOS be changed to laws. Section 7, sub 1, JOS in line 2 be changed to law. Section 15, subsection 2, paragraph A, and section 15, subsection 3. The limit of 3 months in section 15, 2A is contrary to the provisions of section 15, sub 3. Then section 9, sub 1 suggests additional functions of proposing the seized weapons and arms to be used by security agencies. I think we can look at the provisions of the International Convention on the issue of how the arms should be used when seized. Then other sections have been addressed by our colleagues, so I'm sure they will present it here and it has been submitted. I want to contribute on the coming seminar on proliferation of arms organized by the House of Representatives. I was in charge as a member of fight against Boko Haram. And I can tell you categorically, I'm standing here, I stand to be corrected, that some of these countries that we have borders with have no armory. They do not have armories. So most of their arms that are being donated by the, I don't want to be specific, by the developed countries in the name of assisting us to fight our problems, are compounding our problems in Nigeria. Because you find out that each average Chadian soldier has 20 to 30 arms underneath his bed. When he's broke, he brings it out and sells it for $30, $20. I am here, I am standing here, and I'm saying it. Since we are going to collaborate with ECOWAS and other countries that are donating such arms to these countries, I think we should insist that they should either enact laws to govern the handling of these arms and ammunition, or build an armory for these countries, or else we will not see peace. The CCTV that we are advocating for, in my opinion, though they said even Berlin Wall has been knocked down, I think we should build a wall between us and these neighboring countries. Or we should have a serious surveillance, or else we will not see peace in this country. I'm telling you this. I have been in that area for years, so I know what is happening. That is my own personal contribution. Thank you.